big welcome to all of the band members from our 42 schools from all over Asia that have come to join us here at Nexus today for the Fabricia Battle of the Bands 2025. It gives me massive pleasure to be able to bring all of these children from all over Asia together for a little bit of competition, but mostly for collaboration, making new friends, getting those relationships between learners from different schools around the region.
This has been a 9-month-long project, been a lot of work to get to this point. We've got an amazing team, not only of teachers, of course they've been amazing, but we've got an amazing team of students, and everybody who's mucked in. I'm really proud, especially of the student leadership aspect, and I've got a wonderful team. I'm looking forward to seeing kids getting a huge buzz, to interacting with our world-class industry experts we've got, and also for children to understand that there are many, many, many jobs in the music industry, and I want children to see these industry professionals we've got, be inspired, be passionate, and go out and make a difference to the world.
I am thrilled to be here at Battle of the Bands. It's my first one. A lot of the time in my industry as a choreographer, I'm working with dancers, and then I go and work with musicians. It's a completely different experience for me to work with them, and I love it. I know that all of them can sing, all of them can play so brilliantly, and they're all so young, which is incredible. But now I really, really want to see that charisma on stage, that stage presence. I want them to come out and own it and be the rock gods that they absolutely are.